How to create Instagram account on laptop, PC, or computer. So if you want to create Instagram account on your laptop, PC, or computer, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and you just need to search for instagram.com or Instagram login, and you'll get this kind of interface. Just go with the Instagram login. And if you've already logged in, then you just need to simply go and log out from your current account, and you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with sign up if you want to create your account. Once you go with sign up, now you need to log in with your Facebook if you want to. But if you don't want to log in with your Facebook, or if you don't want to sign up with your Facebook, then enter your mobile number or email address on the first blank and enter the password. And after that, enter your full name and the username. Once you enter all of that, now you just need to simply go with sign up, which is here on the bottom. So once you enter the information, go with sign up. And now you need to enter your date of birth. So enter the date of birth, make sure that you're above the 18 years old, and go with next. And enter the confirmation code that you've received on your email address that you've just entered, and go with next. And that's it. Your account has been created. Go with next, which is on the upper right. So that's how you can create your account on Instagram, on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.